Welcome back to SL Chennai Speaks Out. What happens when the child is born and which religion
that
the child?
exactly is what is happening now. I just got my grandchild. And
Congratulations.
Thank you. 15, 20 days back. We were expecting, like, generally the doctors were sort of saying, like, these symptoms, you're going to get a boy. My son-in-law is a Muslim. You know what that means if there is a boy. I happen to be a Christian, like my daughter is a Christian. We didn't know, like, that kind of a ritual is very difficult because our side of the family is a Christian family, and that kind of a ritual is going to be difficult. It has to be understood. Luckily, it's a girl child. What happens is when there's going to be a prayer in the house, very simple thing, but it does affect. We're going to have a prayer, whether my sambandhi is going to pray or I'm going to pray, what kind of a prayer is it going to be?
Sir, aren't you happy that two communities too, you are belonging to a Christian community and your son-in-law is belonging to a Muslim community? Aren't you happy that both the communities are coming together? You said many things about the prayers. You said many things about the prayers going on, rituals going on.
As a person, I happen to be a professor in a college. I have no religious biases at all, believe it or not. So, it's not the religion coming together. People, in spite of their religious beliefs, like adjusting. Adjusting.
Sir, it's not about adjusting
with each other.
Sorry to say
for the
that.
youngsters.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
let
So he adjusts.
Sir, let me add to
in
you.
our country,
Yeah,
60% of people are illiterate. Parents are very biased about their tradition, so they are unable to accept it. Then their problem starts there. That's the problem.
No, ma'am, it's not about the
Fair
acceptance.
enough. We are very proud that you have been really secular. That's what our country has been for, being secular. To accept, to adjust. And for the accept and adjustment, it's love which has played a pivotal role. Scientific studies reveal that. Children born out of interreligious and intercaste and interracial message have an higher IQ when compared to a normal non-client.
Would you agree with the doctor?
Another
point.
Positive eugenics. Hitler tried positive. No, it's not astrology. It's science.
What is a scientific study? What is a precisely? What is a study? What is a study precisely?
It's a study about. It's a study released in Brain article where the exposure, the environmental exposure given to the particular kid, and from due to intercaste, interreligious marriages, all the positive genes will include. That's why in consanguineous marriages, you have more negative branches. So it's not hypothetical, it's proved starter. You can't say I don't come to it. It's proved.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, adding an essence to your point, I must agree with it. Sir, being India a democratic country, we talk about university and diversity, then my question is, why can't we favor the love marriages now?
Man, there are problems. That's exactly what we are talking about. If we can have a situation without a problem, well and good. But if we have to go through this problem, let's all get together and go through it.
Exactly.
Don't fight with us.
Let us speak,
Don't
let us
fight
speak,
with
yeah.
us.
Why do you say
Try
it's a
to.
problem, sir? Don't take it as a problem.
Problem is a problem.
It's not a
man.
problem. Sir,
Whatever
take it up,
name.
sir.
No, there are.
Yes, sir, let the lady in front speak. 1 second.
Life is for enjoyment, not only for challenges.
same
Life is for enjoyment.
So let the lady speak.
No, you are insecure. You are
Ma'am, let us speak. Let everybody get a chance to speak. Yes, ma'am.
I would certainly go with the point that love is all about, I mean, this is what the universe is made of, love. And this is what is holding it on. And further to going to the professor, I would certainly say that the kind of parents he is, I mean, I can take that point. And if we have the parents who are as supportive and as, compatible, so a love marriage which further takes on a shape of an arranged marriage, I mean, I don't see
I
it.
feel most of
Exactly,
most
I
of the
don't
parents
see
are
it.
like that. See,
I
most
would-
of the parents are like that.
Not true at all.
Educated,
In India,
like
it's not.
our kind of
A love,
society.
just a sec. A love marriage which is well supported by the guidance and willingness of parents, I think it's a dream come true. I think there's no other way of going about it.
Every arranged marriage is like that. They see the bride. No. One thing, they see the bride. First ceremony, betrothal. Second ceremony, 2 to 3 months gap.
parents are happy.
The
parents are happy.
Then they know about each other. They know about each other. Family know about each other.
The parents
so
are
that
happy.
they are not
What
forcing
bride
each
you are
other.
showing?
ma'am.
Let me talk.
So-
What bride you are showing? You have 100 girls. You remove 50 girls by religion. You move 25 girls by a caste. You remove 25 girls by subcaste. And restrict by five girls. Out of 5, you take 3. Out of 3, you take 1. Love that girl.
No. 60s. He is in
Just
60s.
last point.
Arranged marriages so successful. Parents are so
Right,
caring.
you are
for the
living in the
baby.
60s. All right.
Just last point. Just last point. I would just like to make a last point.
In your family, is it happening? I want to ask. Is it happening? No.
Yes.
As Professor pointed out,
Yeah.
you talk about the partners, the children that as a result of as an intercaste marriage, they have a dilemma of which religion or which belief pattern. That is one of the problems actually.
When it's an arranged marriage, the bride or the groom, sometimes, even if it turns sour, you under some sort of compulsion to put up even with an abusive marriage, right?
Absolutely.
But in the case of a love marriage, sometimes
it won't happen. Abusive marriage is not likely.
but
to
there are
happen.
there are a lot of cases also.
But I can tell you one thing. I can tell you some time ago the talk about divorce rate. I can assure you this, out of personal experience, out of the various experiences recorded
Don't
by
talk
others.
from personal experience, because that we know. So.
No, I'm just saying that in the case of arranged marriage, it is almost like a forcible thing imposed by the parents
But
and
don't
their
you think
relatives.
when it's an arranged marriage, and let's say isn't it possible for even in arranged marriages for the couple concerned to actually fall in love with each other, get
Yes,
to know
but
each
tell
other?
me, yeah, it is possible. I'm not denying
It's
it
very
at all.
There can be a period of courtship
I would-
even in arranged marriage.
Sanjay, I would like to quote my example. Mine is a purely love marriage, and my parents, they were very sensitive about my likings, the way I want a guy to be. I got the courtship period also for 6 months. We didn't use it much, that's another story. But we did get a time for...
I agree.
And it's a matter of,
Tell me the
gradually we
chi-
got a lot
in
of
a-
time
in a
to
society
relate
like
to each
India-
other, love each other, and...
Yeah, what's your name again?
I'm Garima.
Yeah, let me ask you one question.
Sure,
In a society
sure,
like India,
sure.
what you are saying is probably true to your family, his family, her family, my family, his family. But I can tell you, we don't represent the mainstream India. This country, we talked about the rural population. We were talking about it even before the show.
Yeah.
There's a huge bunch of people who are completely illiterate. They just want to continue doing what they know.
Yeah, yeah.
And they want to be comfortable in that little world. And that is why they want their children to be forcibly married into the same religion, caste, subdivision, sub,
But
and
don't
economic.
you believe, but Sridhar,
that-
at the same
that
time, don't you
indigenous
believe that when it's an arranged
India
marriage,
should develop.
you also have the family backing, you have a support system there.
Agreed. I
That's
am
what-
not denying it. But
Secure.
love marriages, I
More
told you
secure.
sometime back, why can't the parents adjust to the love marriage and offer the same support?
Yeah.
So,
Love is unconditional even in an arranged marriage and in a love marriage. Okay, but if the love is purely unconditional, it must be the same till the end. Then why are divorce rates high, especially in love marriages?
That's what I
no,
in
I
our
don't
country,
agree. That's what I was about to come to that. I don't agree with this.
it must be the same till
Why-
the
why-
end.
why-
So
why
are
don't you
breaking
agree?
the
Yeah, I'll
relationships?
answer this question.
Why
for
don't you
you.
agree with this?
Let me answer this. First of all, the statistics are not very correct because
Okay,
in
that's
India,
what
yeah,
it is.
when
you
when-
want
no, no,
to say
no,
that
no,
it's not correct. I can tell
no,
the
no, let me
statistics.
complete my statement. Divorce legal is what you're talking. I know 100 cases which are divorce, which is not legal. They have never separated. I mean, they have not legally separated, but they are either physically separated or mentally separated. There are hundreds and thousands of marriages in this country where after 25, 30 years, they live in agony. The distance becomes longer and longer because of the children. It is a patch-up work, some sort of a marriage which just exists, but in reality, they are not happy.
Yes.
So in
What do you
love
call
marriages,
that?
no patch up.
What do you call that?
Only love marriages, everybody is harmonious, everybody is very affectionate, very happy.
There is no truth to
25
start
years,
with.
no, no.
There is no truth to
no,
end
that-
with.
Love marriage.
In love
Love
marriages,
starts
there is
with
truth to start with, and divorce is the truth.
Who rule the thing?
Who make or break it, yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, dignitaries, I have a statement to make. Marriage is an institution, and I think there's only one thing that can be based on is love. You make it arranged or you make it love. It has to be based on love. Yeah?
Professor
But
Rajesh,
the point
Professor-
is, it can't be bound by tradition, religion, caste, or any kind of barriers. It has to be let loose. How many, ma'am? One question.
So are
I
you
know for
discounting love from an arranged marriage? We're not, right?
No, yeah, we are not discounting. I'm telling pure,
But
actually,
ma'am,
more deep
families-
love in arranged marriage.
For example, a certain family of a certain religion, a certain caste, and a certain grade of that caste. How many families would go to an opposite caste to find a boy for their
will not.
person? They will not. They're going only to the same thing. So it's based on tradition is
Yeah, yes,
marriage.
yes, sir.
It's not based on love.
Yeah, yes,
What
sir.
is
I
the
differ
compulsion
with you.
there? As he
Let-
said,
Let him speak,
as
let
he
him.
said, there should not be any problem. There should be harmonious life.
Ma'am,
There
ma'am,
should be
ma'am.
peaceful
Yeah,
life.
yes, sir.
So he said.
Ma'am, let him speak. Let him
Yeah,
speak.
yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Her question I'll answer. Is that how many parents will go to another caste to arrange a marriage and all? There are many willingly. Even in my family, as his personal examples, I don't want to quote, but in my family also it has taken place. These days, there are many parents. I think probably I'm the oldest person. I'm 70 years old. If anybody is older than me, I don't think so.
Okay.
So in my days, when I was 16, 17 years old, we never heard about this love or even books or movies or anything of that sort. All that I could read few books, maybe Shakespeare stories or something of the sort. And any movie, the love scenes will be M.G. Ramachandran and Shivaji Ganesan type of,
Minzel Boone, Sylvie Sheldon.
Maintaining a distance of 20 feet between the hero and heroine, that kind of thing. Over a period, things have changed. But I am not clinging to Shivaji Ganesan or MGR and all. We have come to Dhanush now. I was just talking about it. Well, before coming here, I was talking to, as you said, the rural.
Sir,
I was talking.
Kaifi Azmi,
no,
or the Majnun
yes,
Sultanpuri. All the songs,
yes,
all the greatest lyrics, all the poems are
things.
based on love.
I am Gulzar's fan. That's a different thing.
In arranged marriage, there are cases I know where, like for instance, you don't get to know each other's, eating habits or even personal hygiene and all that. There was one shocking case, of course, these are one-off cases, where during, just before the marriage, the groom asked the bride to cut her nails and she walked out. And then that ended. So there's this thing, I mean, this is just one case in point. It's a one-off case, I admit. But to get to know the partner better, to understand their psyche and all that, it's important, right? I mean,
it is absolutely
it's important. But
having
that's
said
what,
that,
that's what, 1 minute. That's what I told. They see the betrothal is arranged and then marriage is arranged. In the duration of time,
there a choice?
everything.
Is there a choice to break?
Yeah, even after betrothal.
No, choice to break, ma'am. Choice to break. In Chennai.
Yeah.
No, in Chennai.
If the parents really come to know about the bad things of the groom or bride,
no, we are running out of time. Ma'am, we are running out of. In Chennai, there's a case where an 80-year-old in the family court in Chennai, an 80-year-old lady took an 85-year-old husband to court for alimony. So there are cases, I mean, both arranged or love, where things do happen. I want to ask you the freedom of choice, the freedom to choose your partner or not to choose your partner.
That's what.
The freedom to speak also has the freedom to remain silent. So do you believe, does society today, in fact, back a person's decision to remain single? If a girl wants to remain single, would society permit that?
No, the society, I want to say it's not
I mean, there are all kinds, it's difficult, right?
No, it's not
She has a
safe.
right. It's right.
It's a personal. 1 minute, I'll tell you. It's not the question of 1 minute. No, it's not the question of whether they are staying alone or not.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm a live example of this. I was the one who never wanted to get married. I fought for 4 years, but finally I
And you're happier now?
Yeah, I am happy now, certainly. I have a lot of support of my parents. I will certainly agree to it. In-laws are wonderful.
From your parents.
In-laws are wonderful. Husband is
You don't believe in a joke. You don't believe in that. You don't believe in that limerick, marriage is about 3 rings, engagement ring, wedding ring and suffering.
No.
We've completely run out of time, but thank you very much for this very, very lively debate. You continue to keep watching Chennai Speaks Out on NDTV Hindu. We'll be back at the same time. If you do have a comment to make, you can email us. You can email us to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. But from all of us on the Chennai Speaks Out team, thank you for watching again. We'll see you again next week at the same time.